All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of...
Right here, the judge is explaining what it means to plead true. This isn't just legal jargon. Pleading true is basically admitting you broke a probation rule. And trust me, once you say those words, the consequences can hit hard.
Condition number 1 in 2023 CR 3543. The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation number 1 in 2024 CR 4456, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1 in each cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion to adjudicate, continue on his deferred. And in the 2023 cause number 2023 CR 3543, extend for 1 year, amend for outpatient treatment program and monthly UAs. And then under the 2024 CR 4456 cause number, amend for outpatient treatment program and monthly UAs, Your Honor. And the state will take into consideration cause number 2025 PF 24726, which is the possession of the Penalty Group 2 controlled substance that he pled true to in number 1 of each of these MTRs, Your
All
Honor.
right, so you said 2025 PF
Yes, Your Honor. 2025 PF 24726.
26.
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, is that the agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, State.
Notice the way the judge frames it. Drug of choice. It sounds almost casual, but in court, it's a loaded question. The wrong answer here can shift the whole tone of the hearing. And when he says just marijuana, oh, you can feel the...
So you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So,
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Moses Anthony Ross.
All right, so what is your drug of choice and what have you been using?
Just marijuana.
Well, I mean, there's no just marijuana to it.
TC.
Do you want to go? Well, what I mean is you're not allowed to use drugs while you're on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. When I first started probation, I had a prescription that was approved by you.
Mm-hmm.
That my probation officer told me it was okay.
But what is this possession about then?
It's the same. THC.
It's just THC. I get it from the stores, from like the dispensaries in San Antonio. But
This is a huge moment. The defendant is caught in a bureaucratic gray zone. Asidum, proved once, rejected later. It raises a bigger question. How much responsibility should fall on the defendant when the rules change mid-game? Should the system be clearer, or is it on him to keep up?
And then she told me that the provider that I had doesn't get accepted by you no more. So I had to find another one. And it took me about a month, but I found
Well,
it.
I mean, provider not accepted by me. What do you mean?
She said,
Where he got his original prescription. It was okay the first time and it got approved by the court. It's when it needed renewing, that same place where he got the prescription was not recognized by the court anymore.
she told me I can no longer use it.
Oh, well, then there's something wrong with that provider because I'm just not,
Oh, I know.
saying, oh, you're okay now. And then this time you're not okay. So,
I mean, I understand. It's just that I don't want to call it a vendor, but for the lack of a better word, the location where he'd been getting his prescriptions was no longer recognized by the court.
all right.
She told me when it expired that you no longer take that provider, and then that there's only a certain list that this court takes, and that it took me about a month to find it. And
Well, I will tell you the certain list because people keep saying it's people that I'm not approving. There means that there's an issue with that provider.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not just me just saying, oh, no, you can't use a provider, but you can use it now, but I'm going to take it away. That means that there's an issue with that provider. There's an issue with that provider's license. There's an issue with that provider's prescriptions and what they are using, the criteria they're using to give prescription. So, you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I got a new one.
Okay.
Yeah, the probation just showed the trouble.
Yes. So what have you done since you've been on probation?
I did my class.
Probation extensions are no joke. Think about it. Every extension is like hitting the snooze button on freedom. Sure, you're not locked up, but you're still on the hook. And for someone already struggling with compliance, more time might mean more chances to slip up.
My first class I completed. My second class, she said I could start at the end of July of this time, and I got in trouble, so I didn't start my class.
All right.
But all I have to do is complete one more class, and I would have completed both my.
What, that's parenting?
The parenting class, that's the one he needed to start in July.
But she told me I could wait till the end of July since I just got done with the other probation in that class.
All right. And I'm sorry, State, were you asking for an extension of 1 year
Yes, Your Honor.
and
On the-
3543?
Yes, that's what the recommendation was from probation. I believe that it's supposed to expire month, the 20, and
That's on the 2023 case.
the 2023 case. And it had already been extended once already, Judge. So,
There was
I mean, the other one, he's
extended
not expiring until 2026.
The first one got extended because of monies.
Okay.
And Judge, I think they're asking for the extension in order for him to do the outpatient treatment program, but depending on if you think that's even necessary, given that he has a prescription.
Because the outpatient treatment, I'm assuming it's because the possession of a controlled substance, which was the marijuana that he didn't have his prescription for at the time because the provider is no longer on a list of approved providers. So what I'm wondering is we just let the 3543 case expire,
Mhm.
and then he's still on probation on the other case.
That's fine with the state, Your Honor.
June of 2026, Judge.
And then in the other case, he still has an affirmative finding of family violence, so it's the same.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so this is what the court will do then. In cause number 2023 CR 3543, the court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court will deny the motion.
And here comes the hammer. The judge makes it crystal clear. Having a prescription doesn't mean unlimited use. It's a tightrope. One misstep and probation violations stack up fast. Do you think the court is being fair here or too strict?
And that case will expire on August 24th, 2023. I'm sorry,
25.
25. Thank you. And then in cause number 2024 CR 4456, court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court will take in consideration 2025 PF 24726. All right, and then I really don't see the need for, as everybody stated, I really don't see the need for outpatient treatment or probation. Do you see the need for outpatient treatment? All right. So this is what needs to happen though. Whatever your prescription is, it's not a free pass for you to use more than you're supposed to be using. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And probation, I see that it's for PTSD.
The first one was for my ACL, MCL. I have full reconstruction surgery on my knee. I fractured my lower back. I'm a barber. My back hurts. My knees kill me. Both of them are torn. And my dad was in the military, so that's documented through in the hospital.
So is it for PTSD?
Translation: the court isn't ready to fully trust him yet. The GPS ankle monitor is like a digital babysitter, constant accountability. But here's the twist. Judges often use it not as punishment, but as a test. 30 days of good behavior could mean freedom from tracking.
TSD or not?
Yes, there's this one is, yes, ma'am.
All right, so is there anything we need to do to address the PTSD probation? All right. All right, then those are the court's orders.
Thank you, Judge.
You need to make sure, we're off the record, you need to make sure that you complete all these programs. And even though your probation officer is telling you, well, we can start at this time, just do it, get it out of the way, complete it. You understand? Is there anything else?
Yes, Judge, as part of his bond condition, we put him on GPS partial. I don't know if we need a separate order to remove it this morning or today.
State, do you have any objection to the removal of GPS? He's on GPS.
It's part of the bond condition the judge gave a couple of weeks ago.
No, Judge. I mean, I think one of my questions was in the new case, he was out on St. Mary's buying the product, and that was just a concern. I didn't know what time that was at. I just want to make sure he's following probation rules, as in some type of curfew of not being out late.
All right, so this is what we'll do. We'll continue with partial GPS for 30 more days. Come back and we'll see how he's doing. If there are no issues, then I'll consider removal.
Okay, can I go ahead and get that court date today then?
Sure.
Miss Boyd,
Yes.
can I get it on tracking? I'm a barber. My clients book at like 9 a.m. and I stayed here till like 9 or 10. And I'm like, I've been doing it for like a year, 2 years.
You need to speak to the state about that. Your attorney needs to speak to the state about that. I'll let them confer with the state. So confer with the state about that.
Judge,
You're welcome.
have a good morning.
You too.
Yeah.
All right, we're back on the record.
Mr. Garahan has no objection to tracking for what purposes,
All right.
unless it's Ross.
All right. Probation.
Yes, Judge.
His GPS device, just be for tracking only for now. And I know it's through pretrial services, but we'll come back in 30 days. Jose Armando Rodriguez. Hello.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing?
All right, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. It's Monday. It's new beginnings.
Yay.
So he's in federal custody.
He is in federal custody. I did have contact with the federal public defender, and he was sentenced to 10 months. He has been in federal custody since February. So I'm estimating around the end of November, around the
Just
12th.
1 second. State. On Jose Armando Jr.,
Yes, Judge.
defense counsel tells me that he's received 10 months.
Yep.
What do you all want to do?
So as he can come here, we'll lay him out.
All right.
That's sort of the new thing, Judge.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Ms. Ferguson. Jose Rodriguez has been sentenced to 10 months in federal custody. Can you have him bench warranted? Well, the state, if they can have him bench warranted.
Yes.
When do you want him brought back?
We do September 8th.
Are you available September 8th?
Judge, is that the only day that I'm going to say the 11th.
All right. All right. We'll see you then.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
Judge. Thank you.
Joshua Perales.